Today we started chapter 4 simple equation. Before starting some questions, we discuss about the definitions. There are three most important definitions in this chapter. First, variable, second, constant, and third, equation. First, variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable means any English alphabet. Means we use in English like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. These all are the English alphabets. But when we use in mathematics, they are known as variable. Means variable is a quantity that may be changed. Variable can be changed. All the English alphabets used in mathematics is known as variable. Example X, Y, Z, P, Q, R and so on. Next definition is constant. You all know about the digits like 1, 2, 3 we use in daily ways. But in mathematics they are known as constant. Constant cannot be changed. Its value is fixed. We cannot change any constant. Constant cannot be changed. All the digits used in mathematics is known as constant. Like 1, 2, 3, 50, 100, 1000. These all are the constant. Now, our third definition is equation. Now, what do you mean by equation? You know about the variable and constant. So, when we join together variable and constant, it form an equation. Means equation is the combination of variable and constant. When we have only one constant, then it is not an equation. When we have only one variable, it is also not an equation. But in any term, if we have both variable and constant together, then it is an equation. Example, x plus y equal to 2. X is variable here, y is variable here, 2 is the constant. And both the variables, the sign is of addition. Means there are 4 operations. We know in mathematics there are 4 operations. First, addition, second, subtraction, third, multiplication, fourth, division. So, any variable or any constant, the sign is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So, in this equation, these 2 are the variable, these are the constant. Now, in second example, x minus 5 equal to 2. X is variable, 5 is constant, 2 is also constant. In this example, there are 2 constant and 1 variable. And the operation between the variable and the constant is subtraction. So, this is an equation. So, now let us discuss about some questions. First question, write the equation of the following. We have some statement and we have to write in equation form. First statement is the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The sum means addition. So, there are the sum of numbers x and 4. 2 numbers here, one is variable and one is constant. So, when we add this variable and constant, then is 9. 9 means it is the answer. So, we have to write this statement in the form of equation. The sum of number x and 4. Sum means addition. So, x plus 4 equal to 9. Now, second question. 2 is subtracted from y is 8. 2 is subtracted from y means y minus 2. We have to put the operation subtraction here. So, y minus 2 equal to 8. This is our first question of this chapter. Next, second question. Write the following equation in a statement. First question, statement given and we have to write the equation. In second question, the equation is given and we have to write in statement form. First equation, p plus 4 equal to 15. P plus 4 equal to 15. P is variable, 4 is constant and 15 is also constant. So, how can we write this in a statement? The sum of number Why we put sum here? Because in between the operation is of addition. So the sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. Now second, m minus 7 equal to 3. M minus 7 equal to 3 means 7 is subtracted from m. 7 is subtracted from m. So 7 is subtracted from m is 3. Okay students, now we discuss some other questions. Question number 3, solve the equation. In this question we have some operations here. In first question we have addition operation, in second question we have subtraction operation, in third question we have multiplication operation, in fourth question we have division operation. Means in mathematics, in previous I had discussed about this operation. In mathematics there are 4 operations. First addition, second subtraction, third multiplication and fourth division. So how can we solve this? X plus 4 equal to 6. X plus 4 equal to 6. In between these two numbers we have addition here. So x plus 4 equal to 6. X is variable, no need to change the position of variable as it is. Now here is 6 as it is, 4 is in addition. So when we replace it in equal to position, then it becomes minus, means addition become subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division become multiplication. So in this case 4 is in addition, so when we put in equal to, it becomes in negative. So x is as it is, 6 as it is, 4 becomes in minus, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So the final answer is x equals to 2. Now second question, y minus 2 equal to 4. This all the 4 questions, these are the type of equation and we have to solve the equation. Y minus 2 equal to 4. Y is variable, 2 is constant, 4 is also constant. So y is variable, no need to change the position of variable we have to put as it is. Now after equal to, 4 is here, 4 is also as it is. Now 2 is in subtraction, so when we put here it becomes in addition. So 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. Therefore the final answer of this equation is 6. Y equal to 6. Next, third, 3x equal to 6. In between there is no sign. So when in any equation there will be no sign, then it means it is in multiplication. So 3 into x equal to 6. So what is variable here? X is variable, 3 is constant, 6 is also constant. No need to change the position of variable. X as it is, 6 as it is, 3 is in multiplication, therefore it becomes in division. 6 divided by 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. So the answer of 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the final answer of this equation is x equal to 2. Now, now student, in fourth question, y upon 2 equal to 4. 2 is in divide, therefore it becomes in multiplication. Y upon 2 equal to 4 as it is. Y is the variable, no need to change the position of variable, y is as it is, equal to 4 as it is. Now 2 is in divide, so it becomes in multiplication. 4 into 2 is 8. Then y equal to 8. This is the final answer of this equation. So this is the simple equation. How to solve it, we discuss about it. Now question number 4, solve this equation. This is somewhat complicated, but it is not only complicated, we can solve in easy method also. 2x plus 4 equal to 12. It is an equation. 2 before the bracket, in bracket, x plus 4 equal to 12. How many constant are here? 3. 2 is constant, 4 is constant, 12 is constant and x is variable. So, 2x plus 4 equal to 12. So, this is one term, this is different term. If there is no sign, then it becomes multiplication. So, we have to multiply this 2 with x also and with 4 also. So, 2 multiply x, then plus 2 into 4, then 12. 2 into x as it is, 2 into 4, 8 equal to 12. Now, it is the combination of variable and constant. We have to put as it is. Single constant becomes negative because it is in addition. So, 12 minus 8 is 4. Now, 2 into x equal to 4. This is the type of equation we have discussed in third question. So, 2 into x equal to 4. X is variable, 2 is constant, 4 is also constant. We have to put x as it is, 4 as it is, 2 is in multiplication, therefore we have to put in division. So, 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So, the value of x is 2. Now, next second, 3 n minus 5 equal to minus 21. 3 n minus 5 equal to minus 21. 3 is before the bracket and these 2 are in the bracket. N is the variable, 5 is the constant, 3 is also the constant and minus 21 is also the constant. We have to multiply this 3 with n and with 5. 3 into n minus 3 into 5 equal to minus 21. 3 into n as it is, minus as it is, 3 into 5, 15 equal to minus 21. 3 into n, we put, this is the combination of variable and constant, we put same as it is, minus 15. Now it becomes in addition plus 15. Now minus 21 plus 15, there are the two digits, one is of negative and one is of positive. So, which is the greatest digit here? 21. So, in before the 21 there is a negative sign. So, we have to subtract it, means 21 minus 15, the answer is 6. And why we put negative sign here? Because the greatest digit have negative sign, therefore the answer is also in negative sign. Therefore the answer is minus 6. Now 3 into n equal to minus 6. Now 3 and n are in multiplication, variable as it is, 3 is in constant, therefore we put in divide because it is in multiplication. Minus 6 divide 3. So, minus 6 divided by 3, the answer is minus 2. The sign is negative, therefore in answer is also we have to put the negative sign. So, students, today we discuss about our fourth chapter, simple equation. In this chapter, we have learned about the definitions, variable, constant and equation. And on the basis of this, we solve some questions here. I hope all you have understand it. Thank you.